X90 check time, because one of the rear lights, I think it was that one, is out. And also because it's been making a bit of noise. I think there's a hole in the exhaust somewhere. Yes, it's definitely grumbling away a bit. So there's some sort of hole in the exhaust, which is funny because when I bought it... Now, which way do I go? Let's go down the left. When I bought it in 2023, the back of the exhaust was rusted off. The exhaust finished not far from where I sit. So I had that fixed, but obviously something has happened. I can see that the passenger side brake light is not working. I will need the key to open the boot. There is no other way to open the boot except with the key. Some people do rig up their own little internal boot release. It's not impossible. I haven't bothered to, but yeah, some people do, because if you lose the key in here, it's going to be a lot of trouble getting it back. A couple of Phillips heads, okay. Oh, hello. Random gecko. Right, so that is the bulb in question. I don't know whether I've done that or what, but there's a red bulb in there. I may have done it because it's already got red on the outside, so it doesn't need to be red. But I may have salvaged it from something else and just thrown it in there. Anyway, let's see if we've got a replacement. Right, well that's a contender. Well, after pushing it in, I know why I kept this one aside, because it was very loose, and the process of pushing it in pretty much separated it from the base. So I think I'll have to go to the shop and get a new 21.5 tail and brake. Before I go to the shop, I did find this, which I think has come out of probably a Saab or something, that had a clear lens on it that had to be coloured red. This is red, so it doesn't really matter. I think that should work. Let's plug it in and see. Okay, it's in. Let's give it a test. First, tail light. Well, that's a no. Next, brake. And that's also a no. I don't think it's the actual fitting playing up. Surely not. Oh, I keep saying I'll go down the shop, but I did find another one. Slightly different base, but I think that should match up with, well, it seems to match up just as well with the fittings. So let's give that a go before we pack up and go to the shops. That is a yes. Definitely no go. So, if I get a replacement bulb and it still doesn't work, we've got a bigger problem. From the shop, and this is the window of revelation, and it seems to be showing that there are two stoplights, although the one I just put in is not really that bright. It's brightish. The other one's brighter. So I bought clear globes as the replacement, thinking surely they wouldn't need red ones in there, but maybe they do. I don't know. I'll do some Googling. Anyway, now it's time to get rid of my nice DeLorean t-shirt and put on a rough one so I can scramble around under the truck and look for an exhaust leak. Right, I'll just undo the bonnet in case this problem is more towards the front. doubt it, but never know. The extractors are a bit rusty. They look alright. So let's get down this side first, because this is where it sounds the noisiest. That was the repair. That looks alright. Cat seems to be alright. You know what? I'm on the wrong side. Oh, looks okay. Unless that's all broken inside. I think it'll be making more noise though. Well, it's definitely got down the front. Well, I think I'll have to seek other opinions on this.